I find it fascinating sometimes when I'm in somebody else's place of business that I'll hear words that might have a meaning to me, but I know that they're using them in a way that's specific to their work and their industry. So it might be at the dentist's office, they're talking about some vocabulary and terms that I don't really know what they mean. Or at the auto mechanics shop, right? They're using words that I've never heard or using words that I know, but in a way that doesn't mean anything to me because I don't know anything about the insides of a car engine and mechanics. The same thing can apply in the world of trademarks. There are lots of terms. Many of them are common words in the English language, but they have very specific, unique, important meanings in the world of trademarks, and there can be a lot of nuance to it. So some of these words, an application, common law, or priority, on their face, they're easily definable words, but to know what they mean in the world of trademarks and trademark protection and a potential trademark dispute is a much more sophisticated, nuanced question. So just like I may not know the meaning in the context of some of those words at the dentist's office or the mechanic's office, to somebody who doesn't practice trademark every day, it's not really possible to know the full meaning of all of these terms, like a comprehensive search versus a knockout search, or what does incontestable mean, or descriptive versus suggestive versus generic when it comes to the strength or lack of strength in a particular term, or whether a term is arbitrary or fanciful. All of these things have important meanings in the world of trademarks. And for the same reasons that I wouldn't try to repair my own cavity or try to fix the engine on my broken down car or replace the brake pads, a lot of people choose to work with a trademark attorney, even though it's not required. I could learn to change the brake pads. I may or may not get it done right, and it's going to take a lot of time to learn it the first time I do it, for sure. Same thing with the world of trademarks. Somebody doing it on their own may not get it right. If you work with an attorney, you have a better chance of getting it right. And part of it is because of that terminology, knowing what all these things mean and not having to look them up and knowing the nuance. That is what working with an experienced trademark attorney brings to the table. And the data shows that experienced trademark attorneys have a greater rate of success in getting applications approved and registered at the USPTO. So that is my spiel on key trademark terminology. If you have any questions about trademark terms, I got two things you could do. One is you could go to ChatTM at www.chat-tm.com and ask our AI tool for help defining the word. Two is you could contact Erik M. Pelton and Associates at our site, erikpelton.com. Use the Connect With Us button, and we'd be happy to have a discussion.